हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, मी तुम्हाला काल जे वर्कशीट पाठवलं होतं त्यातले काही सम्स मी एक दोन सम्स करून दाखवणार आहे तुम्हाला. हाऊ टू फॅक्टराइज दिस क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. ओके, ह्याच्यामध्ये फर्स्ट आपण घेणार, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द फर्स्ट टर्म. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड द मिडल टर्म and this is called the last term. For this we are going to take the coefficient of r square is 1, coefficient of the last term is minus 66 as there is no variable, so product of this is minus 66. Minus 66 is going to help us to find the product or the factors for this middle term minus 5r. For this we have a factor of, like we can say, since we want to answer as minus 5 as the middle term, we have a factor as 11 times 6 is 66. हे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल, 11 आणि 6, 11 6 66 प्रोडक्ट आला आहे, पण मिडल टर्म आपल्याला पाहिजे -5. सो व्हॉट वी आर गोइंग टू हॅव इज आन्सर -5 मध्ये पाहिजे. सो वी हॅव द बिग टर्म or the larger value goes to the minus sign and the smaller term is the plus sign since we want to subtract. So -7 plus 6 we get -5. So these are the important factors to factorize this quadratic equation. So we can write here now r square minus 11r plus 6r minus 66 equal to 0. Okay, so now you can write here. I think you are not able to see this. Now you are here to get it. So this is what we get. Okay, so these are the first terms since we are going to factorize. Here we'll write here r is a common factor between r square and r. So r comes outside the bracket. Here inside the bracket we have r minus 11. You can just have a cross check, r into r square, r into 11 is 11r. Then we write 6 and 66, the common factor is 6, and since there is no factor for r as a common multiple, so we write here 6 into bracket r minus 11 which is equal to 0. So just we are about to finish the sum. We have r plus 6 as a factor and r minus 11 as a factor. So either r plus 6 equal to 0 or r minus 11 equal to 0. Now you get it. This is what it is. Secondly, we have r equal to minus 6 or r equal to 11. So therefore the factors for this equation r square minus r and minus 66 is either r is equal to minus 6 or r is equal to 11. So we write finally as r equal to minus 6 or 11 as a factor of this quadratic equation. Right, now we are going to try another sum. So this is comfortable for you. Let us try 18m square plus 3m minus 36 equal to 0. Right, so here we can say we can use the same method as for this sum, but to simplify, these are the quite heavy or bigger terms. We can simplify this since we can find this 18 336 in the table of 3. So we write here divided by 3, so we have 18m square upon 3 plus 3m upon 3 minus 36 upon 3 equal to 0. Just try to reduce it. I hope you can reduce this. Now we get as the final quadratic equation as 6m square plus 1m minus 12 equal to 0. As usual, we can use first term and the last term. First term is 6, last term is minus 12. As we have learned from this sum, we have plus into minus, minus 6 into 12, 72. Did you get it? So here we have minus 72 to find the factors. It's very simple. Now since we don't have to consider this quadratic equation because we already simplified this equation, we have to find factors belonging to this quadratic equation. Are you getting my point? So here we have 9 times 8, 9 8s are 72, and 9 minus 8 is 1. But since we want plus 1 as a middle term, so sign of the bigger term will come as plus. So this becomes plus, this becomes minus. Are you getting? Yes. So this is quite simple. खूप सोपं आहे ते, तुम्ही करू शकता. फॅक्टर जो फॅक्टर पटकन काढू शकेल, so he will finish the sum first. So here we have 9 times 8 plus into minus, minus 9 times 8 72, plus into minus, minus, we have to subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1, and say the bigger number we get plus 1. So write the quadratic equation 6m square plus 9m minus 8m minus 12 equal to 0. आता हे फॅक्टर्स पाडून घ्या. अंडरस्टँड? सो फॅक्टर्स पाडल्यानंतर तुम्हाला कळेल काय आहे ते. सो 6 and 9 मध्ये फॅक्टर्स आहेत 3, m स्क्वेअर m मध्ये m हा फॅक्टर आहे, इथे 2m प्लस 3 मायनस 8 आणि 12 मध्ये 4 हा फॅक्टर आहे, m मध्ये कोणी नाही आहे, सो 4 into 2m plus 3 equal to 0. एक लक्षात आलं पाहिजे, ह्या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये 2m plus 3 आहे तर ह्या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये पण 2m plus 3 आला पाहिजे. नॉट बाय हुक अँड क्रूक बट बाय ॲक्च्युअल मॅथमॅटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट्स. प्लस इंटू मायनस मायनस, क्रॉस चेकिंग, 4 2s are 8m, minus plus minus 4 times 3 is 12. That is how we get 3 2s are 6, m into m square, plus into plus plus, 3 3s are 9. This is how it works. So we have final as 3m minus 4 or 2m plus 3 as a factors of the quadratic equation, right? So this is equal to 0. So factors are either 3m minus 4 equal to 0 or 2m plus 3 equal to 0. माझ्या बॅकग्राऊंडमध्ये खूप नॉईज आहे, सो आय एम एन्जॉईंग दॅट. यू मे नॉट एन्जॉय. सो 3m equal to 4 or 2m equal to minus 3, because plus 3 becomes minus 3 going on the either side of the equal to sign. So finally we get m is equal to 4 upon 3 or m is equal to minus 3 upon 2. So factors of m are 4 upon 3 or minus 3 upon 2. So that is our final answer. I hope you understood this. You may better try the other sums. If not, I'll help you out to solve it, and you'll get another worksheet after tomorrow, I suppose. Okay, fine.